When you log in with your administrative privileges, you have a Settings button. Click the Settings button and then select Chart Studio. Chart Studio comes with a number of prepackaged templates that match up more or less with the offerings that Zoomdata offers out of the box. This way you can use the Zoomdata charts like our pie chart or our KPI chart. Alternatively, you can use a blank chart to begin from scratch. When you create a blank chart, you're asked for some default starting information about your chart. You want to call it My New Chart. You're going to select the blank template. You're going to select your data source. You're going to select default grouping information. Now note, when you actually get to building your chart, you can remove groups, add groups, metrics, other chart variables, and so on. But this chart is going to start with a single chart variable called group by. We set the group by limit, the group by sort, and we accept. And here we are in Chart Studio. Now, it's kind of beyond the scope of this video to teach you how to code a visualization or to integrate a visualization into Zoomdata. For now, I just want to show you the Chart Studio and what it can do. The first thing that I'd like to note is that we have a what you see is what you get environment. You'll see such code as well as the what you see is what you get results. But when I start with a blank chart, I have a blank template and just a little bit of code to get me started. Here I have listed the 2 files in my code bundle, you might say, and I can add files to this bundle if I want to use a highly modular approach. Additionally, I can integrate different libraries by dragging and dropping libraries already installed with Zoomdata, or I can upload a new library that I want to use that's not already part of the Zoomdata installation. I can also add controls to make them available in the dashboard environment, like a color control. Finally, I can add and remove grouped and ungrouped variables. Remember when we started, we had group by as a variable? Let's add subgroup. Now, subgroup doesn't appear on my chart yet because I haven't coded it to do so. But with just one method, I can code subgroup to appear as well. It's going to pick subgroup, and we're going to have the popover be called subgroup. And there we see I can now select group and subgroup for my chart. So using Chart Studio, I can integrate a third-party chart or create my own custom chart and integrate it into Zoomdata.